Hello everyone and welcome to another News Coolum video. I am here in the all-new Nissan Ariya. Now, this is a really important upcoming EV, and yeah, it's going to be available in fall of 2022, but they just opened up reservations. I'll put a link to it if I can, but they have a promotional offer right now. It's a $500 reservation. It's a fully refundable deposit, but if you go through with the purchase, you get a $500 EVgo credit. And EVgo is expanding their network, throughout the country, and that's basically, it's like free $500, so, or $500 off the price of a Nissan Ariya. So that's really, really impressive. And yeah, let's just do a quick walk around of the car, because it's comfortable. It's sized right, and it's feature rich, and it's priced well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing these on the road. So the interior here, they have this nice Alcantara leather. The seats are a little bit narrower than I thought they might be. They might even be narrower than the Hyundai Kona electric, but I think they're fine, right? The way they are, the bolstering isn't too extreme. I mean, Nissan has never had a problem making comfortable seats, and I feel comfortable in these seats. Yeah, they're nice electric seats. So the seat fitment, again, I sit pretty close to the steering wheel, so I'll be able to test how it fits behind me. They have this full-on display right now. For whatever reason, they have the rear camera on. A decent number of push buttons. Everything's integrated into the dash here. A nice power on-off button. And then, of course, it's a slightly different configuration, it looks like, than the Nissan Leaf, but very similar in terms of gear adjustment. So yeah, ample space. Looks like a nice phone charger, wireless. So yeah, they're ticking off all of the buttons. So, and you can electronically move the center here. So I'm not trying to make these thorough reviews by any means. I just kind of want to give an interior view, what it looks like from a layperson. These normally have a button to flip on and off, but this is a rear view camera, it looks like, so I don't know if you can turn that off. Yeah, there you go. Oh, interesting. So it looks like it's not a mirror when you turn it off, though. So I think the Chevrolet Bolt EV is still a mirror as well. So that's kind of an interesting design. So it's just no backup camera. Panoramic roof. Yeah, just a lot of the basics. Let's check out the back seat really quick and then look at the overall design. Oh, hello. Oh, sorry. Okay, so yeah, this is a whole lot more room. A whole lot more room back here. This is like, even compared to the I-Pace you're looking at, with me sitting in front, I have a heck of a lot more room. You look at the headroom here, even though the panoramic roof doesn't go all the way back, which is a nice, and it's not, I guess, not technically a panoramic roof, right? There's a decent amount of area that's not covered, but I think that's good, right? Because it sort of channels the light in different directions, and it gives you some shaded areas. There's some nice options back here for heated seats, and you have USB power vents, which to me is really kind of a deal breaker. Rear passengers shouldn't be uncomfortable. The material choices are nice. It's nice and soft inside. The seat designs are futuristic. Everything is looking good. If I sound rushed, I kind of am. I'm trying to get through these as fast as I can. So, nice little scuff guard. And then lift up the back for the big reveal. And that's a very decent size trunk size. I'll have to check the exact specifications, but again, looks like that mid 20 to 25 cubic feet rear trunk room. So yeah, overall it's going to be very usable for a family. Actually, I guess I should check. Power closes automatically. So, as you can see, it's very popular. People are checking it out. And then this is the big change that people wanted to know about. And see if I can open it. Yeah. They went to CCS, folks. So, Nissan Ariya now has CCS. I don't know if this is a functional charge port cover. Or if we need permission to open it. But looks like it might be actually fixed shut, so we'll see. But yeah, so they went with CCS and a liquid-cooled, thermally managed battery. So all told, I think they've made a lot of improvements. Yeah, I think that's what they were. That's what they were talking about. Yeah, it's not available yet, but it will be in fall. So. Overall, though, I'm really impressed with the Ariya. Like I said, it's one of the vehicles that I'm most looking forward to, one of the EVs I'm most looking forward to. I'd love to hear what you think. Is this a car that you want to check out? What do you think about that deal for $500 of free EVgo charging if you put a $500 deposit down now? Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and thank you for watching.